Hey everyone, have you ever blocked someone on your iPhone and then completely forgot who it was? Today I'm showing you exactly how to find all your block numbers. I'm demonstrating this on my iPhone 13, but these steps work on any iPhone running iOS 15 or later. And one more thing before we start, please don't unblock your ex after watching this video. I'm just showing you how to check the list, okay? Alright, let's get into it. The easiest way to check your blocked contacts is through the phone app settings. Now scroll down until you see Apps. Tap on that. You'll now see a list of all your apps. Scroll down and find Phone. Tap on Phone. Inside here, you'll see an option called Blocked Contacts. Tap on that, and boom! Here's your complete list of all blocked phone numbers and contacts on your iPhone. You can see everyone you've blocked, whether from phone calls, text messages, or FaceTime. It's all in one place. Some will show as names if they're saved in your contacts, while others just appear as numbers. Here's the second way, through the Messages app settings. Go back to Settings, scroll down to Apps again, and tap on that. Now scroll down through your apps list until you find Messages. Tap on Messages, then tap on Blocked Contacts. And there it is, the exact same list as before. That's because your iPhone uses one universal blocked contacts list across all apps. So whether you block someone from phone, messages, or FaceTime, they all show up in the same place. And that's everything you need to know. Now you know exactly how to check your block numbers on iPhone and how to unblock them if needed. And by the way, I've written a detailed article with images for each step. Link is in the description if you prefer reading. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more iPhone tips. Drop any questions in the comments below and I'll answer them all. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.